Are you tired of blenders that leave chunks in your smoothies, stall on tough ingredients, or require constant babysitting? Meet this Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo, a high-speed, 1,600-watt powerhouse designed to transform your blending experience. This smoothie maker and nutrient extractor is packed with innovative features like Smarttorque technology and a built-in twist tamper, making it a must-have for anyone who loves silky smooth blends, creamy nut butters, or vibrant smoothie bowls. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ninja SS151 is a game-changer for home chefs, fitness enthusiasts, and busy families alike. Let's dive into what makes this blender stand out and why it deserves a spot on your countertop. Solving your blending woes. Blending can be a hassle when your appliance can't keep up. Frozen fruits get stuck, nut butters clog the blades, and uneven textures ruin your recipes. The Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo tackles these frustrations head-on. Its 1600 peak watt motor powers through tough ingredients like ice, nuts, and leafy greens without stalling. The built-in twist tamper ensures ingredients are consistently pushed toward the blades, eliminating the need to pause and scrape. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or crafting a decadent spread, this blender delivers flawless results every time. Why the Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo shines. 1600 peak watt motor. This high-speed motor crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and pulverizes nuts with ease, ensuring smooth textures without overheating. Say goodbye to underpowered blenders that struggle with dense ingredients. Smarttorque technology, engineered for heavy food loads, this feature maintains consistent blade speed, preventing stalling even when blending thick mixtures like nut butters or smoothie bowls. Built-in twist tamper. Unlike traditional blenders that require manual intervention, the Twisti tamper automatically pushes ingredients toward the hybrid edge blades, delivering uniform blends without stopping. 5 versatile auto IQ programs. With one-touch settings for smoothies, extractions, frozen drinks, spreads, and bowls, the Ninja SS151 takes the guesswork out of blending. Each program uses timed pulsing and pausing for optimal results. Multiple blending containers. The 34 ounces pitcher is perfect for family-sized batches, while the 24 ounces and 18 ounces to-go cups with spout lids make single-serve smoothies a breeze for busy mornings. Drizzle cap for customization. Add ingredients like honey, protein powder, or spices during blending to fine-tune flavors and textures without pausing the process. Dishwasher-safe parts. Cleaning is effortless with detachable blades and dishwasher-safe cups, lids, and pitcher, saving you time and hassle. Compact and sleek design. At just 6.5-inch by 8.3-inch x 13.8-inch, this blender fits easily on small countertops, making it ideal for apartments or cozy kitchens. These features combine to create a blender that's not only powerful but also intuitive and user-friendly, catering to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Real-world performance. Putting the Ninja SS151 to the test. Smoothies that impress. My go-to morning smoothie includes frozen berries, spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk, a mix that often challenges lesser blenders. The Ninja SS151 Smoothie Auto IQ program delivered a velvety blend in under 60 seconds, with no unblended bits of spinach or grainy seeds. The hybrid edge blades broke down every ingredient effortlessly, and the twist tamper ensured nothing got stuck. The 24 ounces to-go cup was perfect for sipping on the go, complete with a secure spout lid. Smoothie bowls done right. Smoothie bowls require a thick, spoonable consistency, which can be tricky to achieve. I blended frozen mango, bananas, and a splash of yogurt using the bowls program. The Twisti tamper worked its magic, keeping the dense mixture moving without needing extra liquid. The result? A creamy, Instagram-worthy bowl ready for toppings like granola and coconut flakes. Nut butters without the struggle. Making almond butter is a notorious blender killer, but the Ninja SS151 handled it like a pro. The spreads program and Smarttorque technology powered through roasted almonds, creating a smooth, spreadable butter in minutes. The tamper kept the nuts circulating, preventing clogs and motor strain. Frozen drinks for fun nights. For a weekend treat, I tested the frozen drinks program with a margarita recipe. The blender crushed ice and blended frozen fruit into a perfectly slushy consistency, rivaling bar-quality drinks. The drizzle cap let me add a splash of lime juice mid-blend for a zesty kick. Nutrient extraction for health buffs. The Extract program is a standout for health-conscious users. I blended kale, apples, and ginger into a vibrant green juice, and the nutrient extraction cup ensured maximum vitamin retention. The result was a smooth, refreshing drink packed with nutrients, perfect for a post-workout boost. Benefits that make a difference. Effortless blending. The combination of Smarttorque and the Twist Tamper eliminates the need for manual stirring, saving time and frustration. Versatile functionality. With 5 auto IQ programs, it handles everything from smoothies to spreads, making it a multitasking kitchen star. Portability and convenience. The to-go cups and dishwasher-safe parts make it ideal for busy lifestyles, ensuring quick prep and easy cleanup. Who's the Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo 4? This blender is perfect for health enthusiasts. Those who love nutrient-rich smoothies, juices, and bowls will appreciate the extraction capabilities and smooth blends. Busy professionals and parents. The to-go cups and one-touch programs make it easy to whip up quick, healthy meals for yourself or the family. Home chefs. If you enjoy experimenting with dips, nut butters, or frozen cocktails, the drizzle cap and versatile functions offer endless creativity. Small space dwellers. Its compact design is a great fit for apartments or kitchens with limited counter space. Pros and cons. A balanced look. Pros. Powerful 1,600-watt motor handles tough ingredients with ease. Smarttorque and Twist Tamper ensure consistent, stall-free blending. 5 auto IQ programs simplify a wide range of recipes. Compact design with portable to-go cups for convenience. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe components. Cons. The plastic tamper components may raise durability concerns for heavy users. Slightly noisy at peak power, though not excessive for its performance. Limited color options, only available in gray. Why choose the Ninja SS151 over other blenders? Compared to competitors like Vitamix or NutriBullet, the Ninja SS151 offers a unique blend of power, innovation, and affordability. While premium brands may boast sturdier builds, they often come with a higher price tag and lack the Twisti Tamper or Auto IQ programs. The Ninja SS151 delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, budget-friendly package, making it ideal for those who want high-end results without breaking the bank. Customer feedback. What are people saying? Users rave about the Ninja SS151's power and ease of use. Many highlight the Twist Tamper as a game-changer for thick blends, with one reviewer calling it the smoothest blender I've ever used for smoothie bowls. Others appreciate the to-go cups for busy mornings. Some note the plastic tamper's potential for wear over time but say it hasn't impacted performance. Overall, it's a fan favorite for its versatility and value. Final verdict. Is the Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo worth it? The Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo is a standout choice for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly blender. Its 1,600-watt motor, Smarttorque technology, and innovative Twist Tamper make it a top contender for smoothies, spreads, and more. Whether you're a health nut, a busy parent, or a culinary adventurer, this blender delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. Its compact design and dishwasher-safe parts add convenience, while the Auto IQ programs make blending foolproof. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game, the Ninja SS151 is a worthy investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.